Hey everyone, NitroLandTutorials here, coming at you with another awesome tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the 3D effect, so you can turn any of your 2D images into 3D looking images as we have here. And as you can see, it works for objects such as cars, buildings and landscapes, and also people and animals. The first thing you want to do is open up your file. I have mine copied to my clipboard. If you want to use this image and follow along, then I have the link for this image in the description. So once you have your file open, you're going to go over to your layers panel, right click and select duplicate layer, and then just hit OK. And click this little icon right here to create a new blank layer. And once you have that, you're going to come over here and select your rectangle selection tool, and you just create a rectangle. And then you're going to go to edit, and you're going to come down here to stroke. The width will be different depending on the size of your image, but for this image we're just going to go at 20 pixels. And location, you're going to want to select inside. Click OK. And then once you have that, you're going to click Control T, and we're just going to resize this so that it fits well. I'm going to create like an offset sort of view, so I'm just going to simply click Control on the middle and Shift and move it over. And whenever you have it how you like it, simply click Enter, and you press Control D to deselect everything. Let's reposition this a bit. So the next step is to get rid of the background and only leave the dog standing. So to do that, we're going to click on our top layer, and we're going to actually grab our quick selection tool, and then we're going to resize it by clicking the bracket key. And I'm just going to make a quick selection around the dog. However, if you want to go in more in detail, then you can. By all means, you can grab the pen tool and select around the whole dog. You hold Alt and click to subtract from the selection. So we're simply going to subtract all parts that aren't the dog. So basically all we want is the selection to come down past the line so that it covers it up. Let's make that a little bit better. Can't forget about the little collar. So with the selection made, I'm going to come up to Refine Edge, and I like it on the black and white, and then I'm going to bring the radius up a little bit and the contrast up a tad. So around here is good, and just click OK. And that's simply going to add a little bit of forgiveness to our selection. And then come down here and click the layer mask tool. It's the circle and the square. And as you can see, that hid the background and only left what we had selected showing. If we make our other layer reappear by clicking the eye here, now we can get rid of the background. And to do that, select the image with the frame, and you're going to right click here and select your magic wand tool. Then you're just going to simply click inside the box and hold Shift and click on the white. So now you have the whole thing selected. And you're going to come back down to this other layer and click Layer Mask Tool. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to drag our first layer up above our frame layer. And there you have it. That is your 3D image. You can't really tell now because it's on the white background. But if you grab your gradient tool and you simply click and drag, now you got a cute looking puppy standing on top of a photo. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.